Sebastian, member of Sports Department of Sanskriti Group of Schools. Today's program is Coordination and Strength. So, to start with, we will do the warm-up exercise. So, we will start with the neck rotation. Keep your hands on your hip and rotate your neck. Do the same, that is the reverse of it. Take your head up and down. Stretch your neck. Bend it on the sides. Do these exercises for 8 times, that is 8 repetitions. After this, rotate your shoulders. Keep your hands forward and rotate your shoulder. Take it back, reverse. Next, we will be doing the wrist rotation. Take your wrist outside and then take it inside. After this, we will be doing complete arm rotation. So here we go. 8 times forward, 8 times back. Next, we will be doing hip rotation. Keep distance between your leg, hands on your hip and rotate your hip. Reverse. Next, we will be doing knee rotation. For this, you have to keep both the legs together. Keep your hands on your knee and rotate your knee. Reverse. And next, we move on to ankle rotation. Leg up and rotate your ankle outside. Take it inside. Repeat the same for the other leg. Outside, inside. Again, for 8 times you have to do the rotation. Then we will be doing spot jogging. That is for 20 seconds we will be jogging on the spot. Great. Once 20 seconds is over, you have to do on the spot run. Again, this will be for 20 counts or 20 seconds. By this time, you will be slightly warmed up. Now we move on to the main activity or the main workout. So the first exercise that we will be doing is vertical jumps, hands up, and you have to jump up. Count 30. After 30 counts, you have to take a short break of 20 seconds and do the next exercise. That is cross jacks. In this, you have to cross your hands, and as you're crossing your hands, you have to cross your legs as well. So, like this. Again, this will be 30 counts. After this, we will be doing the moderate high knee. So keep your hands like this. Keep distance between your hands. And alternately, you will lift your leg up, get it up and down. Try to take it up as much as you can. Count 20. After this exercise, the next exercise that we will be doing, it is called plank toe touch. For this, you have to go down into plank position. Keep both the hands on the floor flat. Take distance between your legs and alternately you will touch your toe. So with your right hand, your left toe, left hand, right toe. And there we start. Great. After the alternate toe touch, the next exercise that we will be doing, it's called donkey kicks. For this, you have to go down into crawling position. So, bend your knees, go down, keep your hands flat, and alternately you will raise your leg up. Like this, raise it up as much as possible. Then the other leg, repeat it. Great. After this, the next exercise that we will be doing is called the Superman crunches. For this, you have to lie on your stomach. Lie on your stomach. Keep your hands forward, both the legs together, and you have to lift your hands up and try to lift your upper body as much as you can. So there we start. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Great. Now, as we are done with our main workout, the last and the most important thing is the cooling down. So we begin with the cooling down exercise. We start with stretching. So we'll first stretch our neck. Here you have to count 10. As you are stretching, count 10. Okay, keep both your hands behind your head and push your head forward. Great. Keep both your thumbs under your chin and push it up. Good. After this, we will be doing the tricep stretch. For this, you have to bend your hand back. With the help of the other hand, push the elbow downwards. Again, count 10. Do the same for the other hand. And the next one is arm stretch. Here we are focusing more on the bicep muscles. Great. Repeat it for the other hand as well. The next one is the stretching for the forearm muscles. So keep your palm up. Pull your fingers back. Count 10. Do the same for the other hand. Great. Next we will be doing side stretching. So we'll keep distance between our legs and one hand on the hip and the other hand we will take it above our heads and count 10. Great. Repeat it on the other side. Great. Next, quad stretch. Try to lift take your leg back as much as you can. Hold it with one hand if possible, or if it's possible by holding your leg with both your hands, it would be great. And then we do it for the other leg. Good. The next one is the stretching for the hamstring muscles. For this, simply you have to keep both the legs together. Take your hand up and touch the floor. You can keep your palms straight on the floor. Don't bend your knees. Great. The next is the lunges. Keep your one leg forward, one leg back. Forward leg, press it down. Back leg, keep it straight. Count 10. Do the same for the other leg. Count 10. Great. This was our schedule for coordination and strength. The number of repetitions and sets are given to you in the program. Enjoy it and thank you.